Alright, I got a bunch of pies together. My family's gonna come out and we're gonna see what happens. I don't know what's gonna go on, but we'll find out. It's starting to rain. And my whipped cream is melting. Yep, it's raining now. Come on, Kaylee.
Oh my God.
I need your help. Don't you,
No, I'm not putting
you
my
always
face in
liked
that.
coconut pie. I mean, pumpkin pie, right?
I'm not putting my face in that. Stop.
Cannon, you like chocolate pie, right?
Yeah. What's your glasses? What's your glasses? What's your glasses? Take your glasses off. No! Take your glasses off.
Come here, Kaylee.
No, I'm wearing good clothes. I'm afraid.
Come here, Kaylee.
No, I'm wearing
Come here,
clothes. Do it tomorrow.
Yes.
I'm wearing 5 clothes. Be careful with that one. That looks like it hurts.
Just do it.
Let me do it to you. Don't do it to me. I want to do it to you.
Come on, Kaylee. Use your chance. You're running out of time.
Can you not do it to me? I'm wearing good clothes.
All right, whoa, come on. We won't. Nobody bother with Kaylee.
Come on.
Come on.
Stop.
All right, you got one chance.
Yeah.
Running out of pie.
Okay. Stop it.
I told you not to do it.
Fight me. Do it to me. Do it to me. Oh.
Hey, Dina. I can't. Karen, I heard it's your birthday.
Yeah.
You did it. The dog.
Oh, it's on. It's on. You did that. I blame you.
Where are my glasses at? There they are.
Are they broken?
No, we were on the table.
That was cool.
That was fun. Kaylee's no fun.
Yeah. It's cream pie. Oh, she's eating it up. She's having a play.
Kaylee's not happy.
Maggie's getting some free pie today.
Well, you know, I had to let them hit me. I think that still good.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Wait, what do we do with the chocolate pie? We got chocolate pie left. What do we do with the chocolate pie? We got chocolate cake. What do we do with chocolate cake?
Oh yeah, he just shoved that on my face. I don't know what to do with that.
Raspberry and strawberry and vanilla.
I don't even know what it is.
You gotta take a picture of yourself.
I should,
Dunk on this thing. We need to finish that.
oh, Maggie, stop it.
Oh.
I didn't breathe.
Here we go. That's enough. All right. Give it to me. We're brothers.
All right, here we go.
All right. Wait, I gotta get this dog in because she's just gonna start getting sick.
Okay, Maggie, hey, no.
Come on,
No.
come on, Maggie.
Go.
In.
You had enough pie. You had enough leftover pie. Maggie, let's go. Come on.
Well, bring the dog out front. I'll just hose her off a little bit. All right. Yeah. Well, that's my family. My daughter is mad at me. Okay.